Thank you very, very much, Dr. Bernardine, one of my clients from Benguet. She's actually located from La Trinidad. She gave me this one, the Baguio beans, and at the same time, she gave me also the lemon. So this is my dinner, and we have a fried fish. And at the same time, we have also visitor there. See? Thank you so much, Doctora. Thank you so much. So, we're going to eat. Thank you ka muna kay Doctora.
Hi. Hi, Doc. Thank you. Thank you sa veggies.
Alright.
Fresh from Baguio.
Yeah. So, today is
6 December 2024.
Oo, 2024. So, kain na tayo. Makuha tayo ng rice. Thanks again, Doc.
Green na green yung ano.
Yes. Nito sa Singapore?
French beans.
French beans.
Sa Singapore, French beans ang tawag sa Baguio beans. Ganun pala yun. Kapag kung saan pala galing yung ano, katulad ng beans sa French, yung sa Singapore. Kasi yung Singapore, walang sariling produkto. Kaya, umahango lang sila. Nung inano niya yung yung French beans sa akin, Ami, take out the French beans in the fridge. Sabi niya. Sabi ko, okay ma'am. Tingin ako sa sa frigidaire.
Actually work kasi in Singapore.
Kasi
I don't
tinignan
know
ko,
what particular.
there's no French beans in the fridge, ma'am. Ah, yeah, Ami. There's a French beans in the fridge. I know that. Sabi nga ganun. Punta uli ako. Ma'am, there's no French beans in the fridge. Tapos sabi nga, ay, yeah. There is French beans in the fridge, Ami. I bought French beans. I'll take a look at it, ma'am, again. Tingnan ko, wala uli yung French beans. Sabi nga, there's no French beans, ma'am. Ah, yeah. Sabi nga. Tapos, tingin siya sa French beans, kinuha niya yung French beans, nakabalot doon sa, dyaryo. This is French beans, Ami. Oh, ma'am, sorry. That is Baguio beans in the Philippines. That's why you don't know the French beans. Sabi niya, ganun pala yun. Like, do we have no product in Singapore? Sabi niya ganun. Wala raw silang produkto, humahango lang sila. Kaya French beans, dahil galing sa France yung nila.
Okay.
Kaya pala.
Okay, kain na.
Ang sarap ng hipon. So nutritious. Ito talaga ang French beans. Masarap talaga. Sariwang sariwa.
Meron pa nga natira yan sa rep eh.
Nangingibabaw din yung paminta, ground pepper meal. Ay, ground pepper, ground pepper. Sarap. May hipon na talaga. Ano parang yung sahog nito?
Lang.
Hipon?
Kain ka.
Ito talaga ang bagay sa French beans. Ay, ang galing nung pagkaluto ng raw. Ang sarap. Ang ganyan. Ako hindi ako marunong ganyan. Minsan malata yung hipon ko. Itong luto. Ito masarap yung pagkuluto.